Yeah, totally, totally. If I was given a script, it would have never worked because I am a bad actress and I would have just frozen.
And when he saw the whole thing, he was actually, I think, quite proud. He was very happy with the whole outcome of it. He was a bit really worried about how it would come out, but at the end of it, I think he was really happy. And with me, acting was never on the cards. It was never even a thought process. It never even crossed my mind. So no, I'm not an actress.
I refuse to look at the trolls. Let them bark, let the noise in the background. And you go onto their site, there's 0 followers, 0 posts, there's some other person's face that they put up.
Hi Mahip, hi Seema, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi.
Also, first of all, congratulations. The fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives is getting a great response. I think today also it's trending on Netflix. I think it's in top 3. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So before I start asking any other questions, I have to start this interview by asking you girls that when is the season 2 coming?
I think that question.
Yeah,
Fingers
soon.
crossed Netflix can answer.
Yeah, Netflix has to answer that. But soon, I hope.
Right. So, of course, when we watch a series which is based on people who are real life people and, this kind of experiences that you guys go through, we are shown that. So there's always a debate that, how much fiction it is and how much reality it is. So when it comes to your web series, what do you have to say? How much was fiction and how much was reality?
It was all reality. There was no script, there was no action and cut. It was just out of 2 hours. So it was all just really us. Yes, certain situations were created, but beyond that, it was, we were put in the situation and told about it later. But when you're in that situation, our reactions, our interactions with each other were very real.
Yeah, totally, totally. If I was given a script, it would have never worked because I am a bad actress and I would have just frozen. It would have never happened. So it's completely us on the show.
So of course your husbands, both of them have cameos and extended cameos in the series. But when they saw the series, what were their reactions? Like the whole series, when they saw all the episode, what was the reaction?
Well, Sanjay was completely right from the beginning. Actually, we were sent a clip. First time we were on holiday last year in LA, and we got a clip of it. It was our promo shoot. So he said to me, Sanjay, it's a blockbuster. He was very, very convinced that this is going to really work. I thought that people will be curious, but I didn't think that it would blow out the way it has. And, we'd get so much love. And, I thought we may be a little misunderstood, but yeah, Sanjay was quite confident, honestly speaking.
What about you, Seema? How did Sohail react after watching it?
Her first reaction was like, it's very nice. But then later on we chatted and he was like, he was impressed with me. He thought I would not be able to handle it. And when he saw the whole thing, he was actually, I think, quite proud. He was very happy with the whole outcome of it. He was a bit really worried about how it would come out. But at the end of it, I think he was really happy.
So, now, of course, you guys are there. The series is trending and everything. But now I'd like to ask you, are you girls open for, acting offers like in a fiction show or a movie?
No.
No.
I've said it. I've just said it. I'm a very bad actress. Yeah, I did half a film when I was in my 20s. But, with youth comes overconfidence and arrogance. And I really thought that I could do it. Now at this age, and I look back, I know I was a bad actress. So sign me at your own risk is what I want to tell everyone.
And with me, acting was never on the cards. It was never even a thought process. It never even crossed my mind. So no, I'm not an actress. Everyone's talking about, we really like your role and we really like the character you played. But it's not a character, this is me. And this is a reality show. All 4 of us have not played roles. This is actually reality. This is us. So there's no role play or characters involved. So acting, definitely not. In the reality space, I think I'm comfortable, but acting, no chance.
So, in my friend circle or family, whoever has watched this series, a lot of people say that they loved Mahip's personality. So, Mahip, why do you think that people are getting connected with you so much? And Seema, why do you think that people are liking Mahip's personality so much? As of course, your friend, you would also have an opinion on that.
Yes, because I think Mahip is a fierce girl who's not scared to say what she wants to say, and she's confident enough. And it's that attitude that everybody wants to be her, but they're scared because somewhere everybody's so guarded and everyone comes across like, you know what I mean? Like everyone puts up this facade, but with Mahip, what you see is what you get, and she's fierce. And women want to be that. A lot of women do not know how to be it, is what I think. Like they're very scared, like, if we use abusive language, this is how we're going to come across. But that's not really the case. I mean, which era are you living in? Women should be confident, women should be out there, women should be able to speak their mind. And I think that's what Mahip is. She's a role model for women. Come out of your shell and be yourself.
Listen, thank you guys. I don't know what to say. I am basically me. Seema knows, she's my closest friend, that this was not a put on. I just went with the flow. But then I was really praying and chanting that people should not misunderstand me, because I have used abusive language. I am a little aggressive and aggro, and I'm upfront, put it that way. So I'm very happy that women get me, to tell you honestly. A bit shocked also, but very humble. Thank you.
I think maybe because in every friend circle we have someone who is a kind of a leader and takes everyone together, and that's why everyone is connected to Mahip's personality more. I think that's what I feel.
Yeah, true. She's very clear. She's not unlike me, who's constantly confused. Mahip is a very clear person. She knows what she wants and she goes for it.
Of course, the series is getting a great response. It's trending, but we always have a negative aspect of everything, and there have been trolls on the series as well. If we go back to the series, Mahip was a bit paranoid when Shania was being trolled for one of her appearances. So, how do you guys take this troll that has been happening with the series?
I mean, look, there's a flip side to the coin. Everyone cannot get us. Everyone cannot love us. I understand that. And I've said it before, I don't get them either. There's no need to be so downright nasty. Yes, I used to be very affected by the trolls prior to the show, when I was doing the show. This 2020, the whole lockdown, I've introspected and I've realized that I am only focusing on the nice and the kind and the warmth that the people are giving me. I refuse to look at the trolls. Let them bark, let the noise in the background. And you go onto their site, there's 0 followers, 0 posts. There's some other person's face that they put up. They're hiding behind a mask and doing all this. Whatever rocks your boat, so be it, go for it. But I refuse to look at them anymore. I've just blanked them out.
So with me, the troll part of it, honestly, I don't read. I know I've been told, I've read a few here and there that have been forwarded to me, but my personality and me in general, I prefer to focus on the positive. I don't like to look at the negative, because what you don't know and you can't see can't bother you. And that little bit that comes across, I just don't see the need for people, to be so, like we've said, nasty and unkind, because we too have feelings and you do feel bad. You feel bad for that, for that split second or for that little amount of time. But beyond that, you can't live your life, feeling and concentrating on what's the negative aspects. I choose to concentrate on the positives, and I think that's what's got me through so far. That just concentrate. And it's amazing to see. I really thought that when the show would come, we'd have to turn off comments and stuff, but we didn't need to do that, because really, honestly, there are so many kind people, so many warm people out there that it's it's been overwhelming, literally overwhelming. So it's like I would say that the positive outweighs the negative. I think for me personally, and I speak on behalf of Mahip as well, it has been more positive for us.
Yeah, for sure.
So lastly, I would like to ask that Gauri Khan had tweeted that she is great caching the season 2. So if the season 2 happens, of course she was there in season 1 in a cameo. So if season 2 happens, we'll get to see her with, there will be not four, but 5 Bollywood wives out there. Is there something plans on that lines also?
I don't know how much she'll be there permanently. I mean, throughout the show, she'll definitely play a big cameo. I mean, so let's see. Let's season 2 happen first.
And when season 2, if and whenever this does materialize, and I mean, who better than Gauri? She's actually the 5th person in our, circle. So it's perfect. It's just perfect if she comes on board with us. It's just going to be more fun.
So it was really nice chatting with you guys, and I hope season 2 comes again and we get to see all the fabulous lives of Bollywood wives again. So it was really nice chatting with you. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.